Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn some problems from geometry. See that first problem. Find the area of triangle whose lengths of altitudes are 10, 12, 15. Now we'll apply a theorem. See this is the triangle. This is the altitude. This is altitude AD. Length of AD is 10. Drawn onto BC. Length of BC is A. Length of altitude into length of BC A is equals to B is drawn onto AC length E. Length of BC is 12. Length of AC is let B. Then 12 into B is equals to length of CF is 15. Length of AB is C. 15 into C. From this, A is equals to 6 into K, B is equals to 5 into K, C is equals to 4 into K. Then S is semi-perimeter of this triangle A plus B plus C by 2, that is equals to 15 by 2 into K. Area of triangle is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is root 15 by 2k into 15 by 2k minus A, that is equals to 3k by 2 into S minus B, that is equals to 5k by 2 S minus C, that is equals to 7k by 2. This is area of triangle. Now we can find area of triangle another way. Is equals to, if we take length of side AC, this is perpendicular to it, half into 12 into C is area of triangle, equals to half into, or else we'll take BE length 10 into B. This is equals to 30 into K. We will equate these two. 30K is equals to, if we equate these two, we will get K value as 8 by root 7. They ask you to find the area. If we substitute this K value in this equation, equals to 30 into 8 by root 7, we will get 240 by root 7. This is the area of triangle formed by these three altitudes. Now let us discuss our second question. In second question they asked that ABCD is a rectangle and area of this part is 16 and area of this part is 9, area of this part is 25. Find the area of this, that is x. Find out x. If you want to solve, pause the video and solve it. Now we will solve it. Let this length be L and this is B. If this length is L, then let us point this as O, half into L into OC is equals to 25, OC is equals to 50 by L. Now we'll point this as D dash. half into B into AD dash is equals to 16. AD dash assume as 32 by B. Now dB dash is equals to L minus AD dash is equals to L minus 32 by V. Now BO is equals to B minus OC, that is equals to B minus OC we got as 50 by L. Now area of triangle DBO is equals to half into D dash B. D dash B we got as L minus 32 by B into B minus 50 by L. 9 is equals to 9 into 2. This transfer that side is equals to L minus 32 by B into B minus 50 by L. Now 18 is equals to, we will get this. Now we will take LB square as T, L into B whole square as T square, then 18 is equals to, we will transfer this 80 to this side, 100 is equals to LB square plus 1600 by LB. If you simplify this, we will get an equation T square minus 100T plus 1600. If we did roots of this equation, T is equals to 20 and T is equals to 80. We cannot take T is equals to 20 because there are already the area of rectangle is more than 20. Therefore, we should consider 80. 16 plus x plus 9 plus 25 is equals to 80. Then we will get x value as C 25, 25, 50, we will get x value as 30. Therefore, area of triangle D dash O is 30. Now I will say a shortcut for solving the next question. If this is a triangle, AC is parallel to MN and AB is parallel to OP and BC is parallel to YZ, then area of AMO, this let this be point P, area of AMOP will be 2AB and OPZ is B square and ZPNC is 2BC and DPN as C square, and this area is 2AC, this area will be A square. See, when this is possible when AB is parallel to OP and BC is parallel to YZ and AC is parallel to MN. Now let us solve the next question. In third question, they gave that KL is equals to MN is equals to ST is equals to L and length of AB is 26, length of BC is 65, length of AC is 78. Then find L. We will solve this question by similar triangles. Length of KL by BC is equals to area of triangle AKL by area of triangle ABC. In before concept, we learnt that this will be a square, this will be 2ab, this will be b square, this will be c square, this will be 2ac, this will be 2bc. Now area of AKL will be a plus b whole square. Area of ABC is a plus b plus c whole square. This is equals to KL by BC. Now same we will use MN by AC. We will get B plus C whole square plus by A plus B plus C whole square. Same for ST by AB is equals to A plus C whole square by A plus B plus C. Now we will add all these three. KL, we can write KL, MN, ST as L. We will add all these three. We will take L common. 1 by BC plus 1 by AC plus 1 by AB is equals to 2. If you add all these three, we will get value as 2. Now L is equals to 1, L into 1 by 26 plus 1 by 65 plus 1 by 78 is equals to 2. L is equals to if we simplify this, we will get 1 by 15 is equals to 2. L is equals to 30. We got this for the third question. Now let us solve our fourth question. If area between AB and DC, this is the area between AD and BC, is m pi plus n by k, where m comma n comma k are coprimes. Radius of the circle is 5, length of AB is 6, length of CD is 8. Find m plus n plus k. We will solve this question. See, we will draw a line passing through this both. We will name this as E. We will name this as F. And length of AB is 6. Length of BC is 8. Then length of OE will become 4. Length of OF will become 3. Okay. Next, this is theta 2 let. This is theta 1. Tan theta 1 is equals to 3 by 4. Tan theta 2 is equals to 4 by 3. Tan theta 2 can be written as cot. We will rearrange this. Cot theta 2 is equals to 3 by 4. Cot theta 2 is tan 90 minus theta 2 is equals to 3 by 4. Now theta 1 is equals to 90 minus theta by 2. theta 1 plus theta 2 is equals to 90. Therefore, this angle is 90, this angle is 90. Now we will add area of AOC plus area of BOD. This will become area of semicircle. Why? Because this is perpendicular, this is perpendicular. If we take out these two and join, it will become semicircle. Then the area of this semicircle is pi r square by 2. Then it will become 25 pi by 2. Now we will write area of AOD, AOB plus area of COD. Area of AOD will become A plus half into 6 into length of EO, that is 4, plus half into 8 into length of OF, that is 3. This will become 24. If we add this area and this area, we will get area between AB and OD. We will add 25 pi by 2 plus 24, that is 25 pi plus 48 by 4, that is equals to m pi plus n by k. Now 24, 48, 4 are co-primes, therefore we can directly add them. 25 plus 48 plus 2 will become 75. Therefore sum of m plus n plus k is 25.